Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update to what is going to be the next version of Windows 10. No name yet, once again, version 2004, or depending on where you are, you also can call it 20H1 for the first update in the first half of 2020. So it has number 2004 because it is stated to technically be released in April of 2020. And we have a little bit more news about what possibly will happen here. What we've been hearing is that it's slightly delayed because of what's happening with the virus around the world. So they wanted to release it. They actually even wanted to maybe release it at the end of last month for seekers. But with all the events happening, they decided to hold on to this version. So it's been tested a lot, and from what we know is that they did test it a lot to make sure that this rolls out really well. And that means that, of course, it's ready. It's really ready to be launched, apparently. Now, we were talking about could it be released on Patch Tuesday? Well, the information that we're hearing is that no, it's not. At first, we did hear that Patch Tuesday could be that time, and Patch Tuesday, of course, is coming up next week. But nope, it's not apparently going to be there on Patch Tuesday. So that means that we will have an announcement in the month of April. So this means there's probably going to be a name. There's probably going to be a little more details that are going to be issued, but it's possible we're not seeing this in April because what's happening is that they don't want to risk having people with some issues or problems and having to update to this big Windows 10 update, because this is honestly a really big update. It's a full reinstall of Windows that's going to happen when this arrives. So they don't want to risk any of that and have anybody do that, while right now a lot of us need our computers. So that's the news, that they are holding on to this version, and but there will be an announcement sometime this month, before the end of the month. So maybe they'll first of all have a name, and the second thing is maybe they'll have a date when they actually decide to release it. So it seems the release could happen in May rather than April right now. So it all depends on what they decide and how things actually go and what's happening around the world. So this is the latest information that we've got. Some of it comes from Mary Jo Foley of All About Microsoft. So there's interesting details happening here. And, it's really ready to ship. They're just holding on to it right now. So it's still in the slow ring. For those asking the questions again and again, because that's what I'm using, version 2004, and works actually great. How do you get it? If you want it now, you can actually get it through the Windows Insider program and go into the slow ring. But remember that you will need to put that little slider that says, get me out of there once I have this, because right now it's still technically an insider preview, but it's pretty much done. Once again, if you want to see how that does and how that works, you simply have to go to your Windows updates, and in Update and Security in the settings, and go into Windows Insider Program. And here you will have the Windows Insider Program. You'll have something that says Get Started. You need a Microsoft account, and then you'll need to choose a ring. And so to go here, you'll have to choose Slow Ring. Once that is done and you restart, you'll see that build 19041 is going to start downloading to you. And then there will be cumulative update that will apply to it. And once you are there, you should be at version WinVer here. WinVer. You should be at version 19041.172. That's where we are at right now. And what you do is you turn on this little switch here, turning on to opt your device out of flighting when the next major release is installed. What this is going to do is when this version 2004 is officially released, then you will actually stay there and be removed from the Insider program. So that's if you want it now, for the enthusiasts out there that really would like to have it now. So that's one way. And you have the image that is available through Windows Insider program. So if you go to the Windows Insider download page, 19041 is also available there. Has a image if you want to do a clean install. So that's the way you do it. But honestly, once again, I want to stress out, if you're going to ask the question, should I get it? No, you should not. You don't ask that question. People that really want it, know they want it. They're not asking themselves, should I get it? If you're asking that question, you're already answering it. No is simple, no. And for all the rest, wait for this to arrive someday on your computer. No stress here. I mean, there's really not a lot of new stuff in here, and honestly, you can wait. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.